What would be the best way to keep dental implants for a long time? How can we keep our gum healthy without any disease? Dental implants are vulnerable to bacterial infection because there is no periodontal ligament like natural teeth, so they must be managed in a different way. For the first time in Korea, C1 developed an sonic electric gum cleaning brush to clean the gum for people who have dental implants or suffer from bad breath, food stuck in their implants, or swollen or bloody gum. This gum brush is made up of a handle ergonomic, vibratory section, oral bright shining LED light, and hypo-only brush to clean the gum with vibration. The soft and small brush effectively removes food and other impurities near the root of the gum of natural teeth and dental implants to maintain healthy gum. Everyday massage for sore, swollen, and bleeding gums. The brush comes in two types, one for home and the other for hospital, and the hospital model includes a storage for cleaning wash. By using the portable mirror and LED light on the sonic electric gum brush, you can clean the gum thoroughly and every corner of your teeth. The ergonomic design of this product allows you to clean even the innermost corners and keep your teeth and gum clean. The 12,000 VPM vibration of the brush helps the propolis-based toothpaste get absorbed into the gum and remove bacteria. The refill brush comes in 5 different sizes. The battery lasts for 3 months if you use it for 3 minutes a day and is replaceable at a low cost. Healthy habit for healthy teeth. Keep your dental implants clean for a long time with C1's Sonic Electric Gum Cleaning Toothbrush.